Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn that how to show or hide the tool ribbons as you can see in the main window of the AutoCAD. So it's very simple, but before going to start, so that I request you to please subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos. So if you want to show or hide the tools the ribbons, this one in AutoCAD, so you can simply click on this command line and write the ribbon, and in the ribbon you can still click on the ribbon close. When you click, so as you can see, the ribbons of the tools has been hidden. And now if you want to show, so you will write in the command line the same as the ribbon, and in the ribbons there are different options. You will click on the plus sign with ribbon, so and then you can enter, and as you can see, the tool ribbon has been now appeared again. So this was all about that how to show or hide the tool ribbon or toolbars in the main window of the AutoCAD. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.